Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Thomas. I'm an engineer here at Deutsche Beverage Process. And today I'm going to walk through a new product that we're going to be releasing soon. It's a barrel fill and draw skid system meant to both empty and fill whiskey barrels or totes or barrels on the that are on their sides, or with a top fill port like these guys here. So the skid includes a couple articulating arms, one for emptying on this side and one for filling, both meant to reach 4 barrels on a pallet. So you can have dual purpose on a full pallet without having to do too much rearranging or moving around. On the emptying side, you have this pneumatic switch which controls the piston and drops the lance into the barrel. Gravity drops, so it gives you some time to guide it into the barrel nice and easy. Also on the emptying side, we have a custom built piston drum pump, which pulls suction on the barrel. Make sure you get every last drop out of these guys and into your collection tote. Moving towards the back, we have a electric and pneumatic controls. The electric is focused on the filling side, but the pneumatic panel in the back controls all of the different piston cycles needed to cycle this pump, as well as supply air to these switches, but all operated from the skid, so you don't have to necessarily move out of your explosion-proof zone to operate the electric control panel. You can do all of your operations from the pneumatic skid, or pneumatic controls mounted on the skid. And then moving over to the filling side, again, we have another articulating arm with a piston that you can control with this switch to lower into the barrel. That lance has a foot valve, which we can zoom in on a little later for you, but that opens up and allows the spirit to fill from the bottom, reducing splashing and product loss and creating a safety hazard. So that's a good feature. The filling is supplied by a centrifugal or an explosion-proof SPX centrifugal pump connected to our, in this case, our spirit tote. And then it's measured with an E&H Coriolis flow meter that corrects for temperature to get an accurate volume going into each barrel. That's the quick rundown. Now we'll switch to a little demo. First step, we want to fill this barrel from our whiskey tote. So right now this is our emptying arm, so we're going to get this guy out the way. Go ahead and grab our filling lance. Get him lined up. Go ahead and lower him down. So now that the barrel's full, we'll go ahead and take this lance out and we'll set it up to empty. So we've got our pneumatic switch here. Get this guy out the way. Grab our emptying lance. Now we're all set to start emptying. All right, so now we're fully empty. We'll go ahead and lift this lance up. And yeah, that was a full sort of cycle, fill and empty demonstration of our new barrel filler and emptying skid. We're super excited about this product and I hope to sort of see you and unveil it at these upcoming trade shows and conferences.